Hey DBRIGHT Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title above, today I am doing a paint with me and I'm so excited. Some of you guys might know that I am an artist. You guys can check out my art at www.deekaayart.com. So I'm so excited to do a video like this. This is my very first paint with me and I haven't painted in a while, so bear with me, but I'm so excited to get this up here and show you guys my process. And I'm just gonna speed it up obviously, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get right into it.
Take a breath. Hot wind hits my skin. I begin to take a breath. White tiger, I, white tiger, right, roller coaster. I am still caught up on these safety rules. Some boy made it, don't count for some boy made it, don't count for some boy made it, don't count some boy made it, don't count. Tiger, roller coaster, I am still caught up.